Black ink not printing. Here's how to fix it. Printer problem. First, open your printer settings and go to Maintenance. Every printer has this. Just look for the Maintenance or Tools section. Next, select Nozzle Check. This will print a test page, so you can see if the black ink is clogged or not coming out. If the black ink still doesn't appear, run Nozzle Check Cleaning. In my case, I only used Nozzle Check Cleaning No Head Cleaning, and I repeated it 5 times until the black ink started printing again. And after that, it started working. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.